Hello everyone. Today I have come up with a new topic, that is how to select a capacitor panel. Capacitor panel is mostly used in industry to reduce the electricity bill, monthly electricity bill, because most of the load in the industries are reactive. That's why we need something to reduce its reactive load. I am going to proceed with how to find the required capacity of the APF panel, and then I will show you a practical project that I have made for a particular plant. So let's go. To calculate the required capacitor panel, you need to know two things. One is your total load in the plant. Let's say this is 1500 kilowatt. The second is the power factor at which your power plant is taking the supply. Let's say that is 0.8 power factor, and you want to decrease the monthly electricity bill. That's why you want to increase this power factor to 0.9. So first of all, I will draw a power triangle, that is like this. This is the power factor angle theta. This is apparent power VA, kVA, and if you break this into two vector part, one will be kVA cos theta and one will be kVA sin theta. kVA cos theta is called kilowatt, kVA sin theta is called kVAR. To calculate the required capacitor panel, we need to find out this value kVAR, reactive power. So we know the active power kilowatt equal to 1500 and kilowatt is equal to kVA cos theta equal to 1500, and we are taking the power at 0.8 power factor. So cos theta is 0.8. So kVA equal to 1500 by 0.8, which is equal to 1875. Now kVAR equal to kVAR at 0.8 power factor equal to kVA sin theta. kVA is equal to 1875 into sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, which is 0.8 square. This will be 675. Now we want to increase the power factor to 0.9. So kVAR, reactive power at 0.9 power factor, will be kVA sin theta, where theta is 0.9. Where cos theta is 0.9. So 1875 into 1 minus 0.9 square. This will be 356.25. So kVAR increased is 675 minus this. So required kVAR is equal to 675 minus 356.25, which is equal to 318.8. So this much kVAR we have to adjust using capacitor panel. For that we will use Therefore, we will use 25 heavy duty 25 square mm 25 microfarad capacitor, 8 number. So what will be the total value? 200 microfarad, and 50 microfarad capacitor, two numbers, 100, and for 18 we will use 10 microfarad capacitor, two numbers, 20. So total is 320. So this is the process to find out what is the required capacitor panel. So I will show you a practical demonstration that I have made for a particular project, where I required 250 kVAr reactive power to balance the reactive load and to reduce the electricity for my plant. So next I will show you the project that I have made. My requirement was 225 kVAr capacitor panel. I have made this project for a particular client, and this is how a capacitor panel look like. I have used 630 ampere triple pole neutral MCCB incomers breaker, and from there, using a control breaker, I am giving this 3 indicator supply R1, A and B to confirm the supply is coming. And after that I have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 breaker to individually switch on the capacitor as per the requirement and the power factor values, and used a cooling fan to cool it down. And this is the actual circuit, where I have taken the supply from the incoming supply and then use 6 ampere control breaker to give the supply to the red, yellow and blue indications, and then after using a main MCCB 630 ampere, and I have used a current transformer 630/5 ratio, and then given the supply to the capacitor using a particular breaker as per requirement. But here what I want to show you now, I have used 50 kVAr heavy duty capacitor, two numbers, 25 kVAr heavy duty capacitor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, two 10 kVAr capacitor and one 5 kVAr capacitor. If you really want to know how to select the proper breaker and proper cable, then please comment below. I will explain this in a later videos. But this is the process to find out the required capacitor panel to improve the power factor and lower your electricity bill. Thank you.